I'm Megan with WTI, and I just finished my new recent read, Where the Crawdads Sing. Now, I'm not going to go through the plot line because you've probably already read that in the description, but it took me on such an emotional journey that I absolutely loved it. I could totally identify with the main character, Kaya. I think we've all had times in our life where we felt invisible and not seen, and maybe as an outcast. And if you've ever felt that way, then you'll be able to identify with this character too. This book doesn't leave her as a victim. So I found it to be such an empowering story as well, because of all the obstacles she was able to overcome despite her circumstances. This was beautifully written with poetic, descriptive words. And it's been a long time since I've read a book with such beautiful language. You didn't feel like you were wanting more or disappointed in the ending. It was just so fitting for the book and for the character. So if you're looking for a good read where you can be emotionally invested as well as enjoy beautiful, poetic, descriptive language, definitely give this book a try. Where the Crawdads Sing. I was not disappointed. I don't think you will be either, but that's just my point of view.